Do you know we have about 20 to 30 different sambar varieties which are made out in India? Every region has a different variation, but the original, please look now. Welcome to Praveen's Kitchen. Today we are making the authentic sambar. Use Toor Daal, soak it for 2 hours, cook it on 3 whistles. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Cumin, and half a teaspoon of Fenugreek seeds. Wait until they splutter. Add some Asafoetida, chopped carrots, and some curry leaves. Gently fry them for 1 to 2 minutes on a medium flame. Add green chilies, onion, and some salt as per your taste. Mix well. Cover the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Add turmeric, and some sambar masala. Mix well and saute them for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. I'm using only half of sambar powder now. We'll use the remaining half at the end. Add fresh tomatoes, close the lid and cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes. Tomatoes are mostly cooked. Mix well and add tamarind water. Close the lid and cook for another 5 minutes on a medium flame. Add the cooked and mashed Toor Daal and cook for further 5 minutes on a medium flame. Add red chilli powder. I'm adding 2 teaspoons because when we add tamarind to any cooking, the tamarind would suck some spiciness. So prefer to use half a teaspoon more and mix well. Close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm adding the remaining 50% of the sambar powder and some fresh coriander. Mix well, close the lid and cook for further 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. The real sambar color should exactly resemble like this. It has made to perfection. Our sambar is almost done, ready for eating. I am eating it straight away, serving with steamed rice, hot steamed rice with some extra condiments, a potato curry, a fry which goes good with the sambar, and some papad, some fryums, and some other things. Please try this, like my video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, happy eating. I will see you in a new recipe. Thank you and bye. Yummy, it looks yummy and it tastes very, very, very yummy. Bye.